All right, today's video, we're gonna go ahead and talk about my very old welding helmet. This is a Miller welding helmet, and I believe it's actually a wrap that's on it. And it is extremely old. I think it's almost 17 years old. It needs a battery, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean it up today. We're gonna give it a little TLC, and I was inspired to show you guys this because of my friend across the pond in England, Dingozilla, I believe I pronounced that right. Hey, why don't you tell me how to pronounce your name on your channel? He did a wrap on a welding helmet, and I think it came out pretty good for being the first time and only being two hands working. I think you probably need 3 people, 6 pairs of hands, and it would have came out perfect. But anyway, this video is about this helmet. It is about 17, 18 years old, and it needs a battery right now. It's adjustable right here. You know, you have your adjustability. There's your controls, and also the lens, the face lens is replaceable. I have some somewhere. I have to find them. But anyway, I thought I'd do something different. I'm gonna say this thing is actually 19 years old, if I remember right, when I bought it. And it's giving me years of service, and it actually rode in my service truck for 10 years and different service trucks. It rode, but I would always hang it, you know, or it would always be in the cab. Inside the cab, hanging, I would have like a clip on it, and I had a bag for it. There was a little bag they give you when you buy them, and I would keep it in that bag, and that prevented a lot of the scratching and scuffing. Not that it doesn't have none, but anyway, like I said, I thought I'd do something different today. So we're gonna go ahead and give this thing some tender loving care, and I'll probably do a follow-up video once I get it cleaned up, just to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Hey, show me your welding helmet. See what you got. And I do use it for grinding too, because it's auto darkening, so it was perfect. Anyway, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.